Hello, right. This is Quest for Red part end. So I come to a conclusion, and the conclusion was helped by the fact that I found the starter kit pot for 238 Humbrol. Now that's never going to be, well, it might be enough, but unlikely to be enough to have multi-coats for 2 hawks. So what I've done, what I concluded to do, is to use the Xtracrylix Red Arrows Red, which I decided called orange back in 2 episodes ago, and use that as an undercoat. So as an example here, I've got the undercoat of the red orange, and I've got over the top of that I put the Humbrol 238, and between the two of them you've got a good affair in daylight. Not with this camera, because this camera is a bit too yellowy, making it look more orange than it is. A good colour shade for the red arrows. So as a test, I've smeared that over the various large parts of the kit, and as you can see, that's over the darker Tamiya I had, the X7, so that's why I'm using the orange as the undercoat, so you end up with a brighter red as per the red arrows. So there we are. It's been a few videos, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the undercoat of Xtracrylix and try to make this stretch far enough. I'll probably water it down a bit as well, because then it might reduce the chance for brush marks, which I've noticed I have got some brush marks on here. But I'm happy, and that's what matters when you do a model, that you're happy what you're doing, and it makes it all more fun, doesn't it? There we are. Thanks for the watching the various little small installments. Back to normal weekly episodes from this Sunday, and or anything in between as it arises. So stay tuned. Thanks very much. Bye bye.